Right, hi guys, so this is just a video to update you on a new piece of gear, piece of equipment that I bought. It is before I forget, I'll tell you now, it's the HSA 60 by Stihl. It's part of their AK battery range, not the professional level. I think it's the AP, it's the one below the mid-range, the AK. Technically not commercial, technically it's for homeowners, but you know, my experience, it's well worth having. It does a job. As I say, the gear won't be quite as good as the professional range, but I haven't had a problem with it so far. So I had the HLA 56 Hedge trimmer, which is part of the AK range, the battery range, and with that range they have a whole host of equipment and gear to use with those batteries. So I've got a few bits now, and it's the AK 20 battery I have. You can go AK 10, 20 and 30. 10 apparently is the no good. 30 is probably overkill, and I've got two AK 20 batteries. And yeah, so this one I think I bought at the start of November. So I had a few winter jobs booked in where I was doing like kind of high hedges, things on top of ladders. And I haven't got a short, I don't even know what you call them, like obviously there's the long reach trimmers, hedge trimmers, and this is like the short one. So I didn't have one of them, and I thought really when you're working on top of ladders you need something like a bit more lighter, and you know, that you can use close to your body. So if you're using something long and you need to cut something just in front of you, you can't use it, or it's very difficult to use when you're on top of a ladder. So I thought, bite the bullet, get it. It was about, I think I paid 180 or 190, just as the bare unit, obviously, because I had the batteries and chargers. So I thought, yeah, definitely going to get it for the winter. And I've used it. I think they have a couple of ranges of hedge trimmers, and I think this was the higher end. I think I could have got one for maybe around 130 or something, but I thought I'll go for the better one, and it's really good. It surprised us a little bit, and you should be seeing a video now of me using it. This is just obviously like a rough kind of cut thing just to get this this, I forget what you call this now. It's like obviously a climber, and it's just gone a bit wild, so it's just to cut it back really. But I've cut like hedges with this. I've done conifers, you know, I've done privets, and you can get a nice little cut on it. You know, I really quite like it. And so yes, that's the HSA 60. If you want to check it out, really worth having. It's really, I should have done this a couple of years ago. I've always just used me HLA 56 battery trimmer and me combi trimmer, and you know, because I like them, but you get the odd job where you could really do with a shorter one, and I just thought, you know, long overdue, get it done, because as I say, working on top of ladders doing hedges, it's not much fun, a little bit dangerous, so this made life a little bit easier. So yeah, so that's my latest purchase, another Stihl piece of equipment. Right, that's me done. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.